And breaking news now coming in. Well, the Delhi High Court has ordered a CBI probe into the coaching center deaths. A big development there. The Delhi High Court has said that the CBI will be investigating this case. Remember, it was a horrific case in which 3 young students drowned in the basement of a prominent coaching center in Delhi. In fact, this comes after a series of strong observations by the High Court, including the fact that the Delhi police are investigating the case in a sluggish fashion. That's what the High Court had earlier said. In fact, the Delhi High Court also said that the MCD or the municipality here in Delhi has no respect for the law. The High Court also questioned the civic body as to why senior officials are not being sacked, because remember, it's just a junior engineer and a junior officer that has been sacked by the Delhi Municipal Corporation, as the senior officials continue to shift the blame and pass the buck. But an extremely important development there with the Delhi High Court ordering a CBI investigation. Remember, multiple violations had come to the fore, including the fact that the basement that was being run as a makeshift library was also illegal, given the fact that the Delhi bylaws, the building bylaws here in the national capital, allow such basements to be used only for household purposes or for parking purposes. But in this particular coaching center, like in many others, the basement was being used as a makeshift library, which is what led to the death of these 3 young UPSC aspirants, all of them in their early 20s, remember. In fact, the Delhi High Court has now also said that there has to be a time-bound investigation, which I think is extremely important in this particular case, given the fact that 3 young lives were tragically cut short. Imagine the tragedy that 3 youngsters, all in their early 20s, preparing for the UPSC examination, they drowned in the basement of this particular library, this particular coaching center, I beg your pardon, that had turned into a makeshift library. So extremely tragic there, and now a CBI probe has been ordered, and a critical development in the case. Multiple arrests have been made in this case as well. I must point out the owner of the coaching center as well as a coordinator. 2 key arrests have been made. Other than this, there have been 5 other people who have been arrested as well. The owner continues to be in jail. The owner and the coordinator were sent directly to judicial custody. So that was important as well. But now the CBI, the Central Investigating Agency, will be probing this particular case. Lots of questions to be answered on the part of the civic body, on the part of the municipality, and of course the coaching center as well. The coaching center had come out earlier with an insensitive and inane statement, saying that it's a tragedy that is unfortunate, but not a word on taking responsibility. So this is a key development, given the fact that accountability needs to be fixed. Several important questions: is there corruption in the MCD? Is there some sort of a collusion as far as the civic body is concerned and the coaching center is concerned? Why were these basements not sealed earlier? That is the biggest question, given the fact that the MCD sealed multiple basements after this case came to light. But that is an action that should have been taken earlier. My colleague Ishika Verma, who's been tracking this case in the High Court, is now joining us live. So Ishika, extremely important there that now a CBI investigation has been ordered, and the High Court is very clear that they want a time-bound investigation. All right, we seem to have lost that line with Ishika there. But as I was mentioning earlier as well, the High Court has said that it stops civic officials who may be complicit in this, which I think is an extremely important observation, given the fact that only a junior officer and junior engineer have been suspended, and that really raises questions about some sort of collusion, some sort of nexus perhaps between the civic body and these prominent coaching centers who are being allowed to run illegal libraries in the basement with complete impunity. My colleague Ishika Verma is back with us. So Ishika, extremely important development there in this case, with the High Court saying that the CBI will investigate this case, and it's very clear that A, it has to be a time-bound investigation, and B, that senior officials have to be called to book.
Well, Well, yes, certainly a very important order now, in fact, that has come from the High Court in this particular matter. The entire case now has been handed over to CBI for the time-bound investigation. And Vedant, this comes after, in fact, the Delhi High Court today raised questions on the investigation that has been done so far by the Delhi police in this matter. Now, let me tell you that the court, in fact, in its order has also said that the MCD commissioner is directed to ensure that the drains in the area are functional, and if their capacity has to be increased, the same should be done in a systematic manner and in a time-bound manner. The encroachments and illegal constructions in the area shall be removed forthwith. Not just that, the court has also, in fact, said in its order that, however, the court is of the view that one needs to look at the bigger picture, as there is far more fundamental problem in the city of Delhi. Physical, financial and administrative infrastructure are all outdated and not in accordance with the requirements of the present day. So certainly a very important point from the order. And the court says that due to various subsidy schemes, the migration in Delhi is only increasing and its population is also increasing. The financial health of the civic agencies like MCD, if not precarious, is not healthy. The court would not be wrong in concluding that civic agencies in Delhi have no funds to carry out major infrastructure. So certainly, the court not just handing over the investigation to CBI to do the entire investigation in a systematic and a time-bound manner, but now has also directed the MCD commissioner to make sure that all the drains in the area now are working with full capacity and all the encroachments should be removed from the area from now on. Not just that, here a very important point that the court now has made is, that the administrative, the physical infrastructure of the national capital needs to be relooked, because comparing it with the present day scenario, the entire, infrastructure of Delhi looks outdated. So certainly, very important points that now have come from the court, in this entire matter. Over to you.
That's right, Ishika. And also an important point there is that the High Court seems to suggest that top officials or senior officials may be complicit in this. In a sense, the High Court pointing out to some sort of a nexus or some sort of a collusion between the civic body and the coaching centers, given the fact that, you don't have a senior official that has been suspended. The MCD has not taken much of an action in the sense that they have sealed these basements of other coaching centers, but no real action on the part of the MCD. So this point about collusion, a possible nexus, is extremely important.
Well, Vedant, certainly, in the last hearing as well, the High Court, in fact, had questioned as to how, the driver, in fact, in this case was, arrested. And now, in fact, today, the High Court again, questioned the entire investigation of the Delhi police and asked them specifically as to who are these MCD officials who were called for questioning by the Delhi police so far. Not just that, the High Court today also took a swipe on the Delhi police, saying that, it is merciful that you did not challan the water like you challan the driver. So certainly here, the High Court, making strong observations, saying that, there are certainly, indicating that there are certainly higher officials who need to be held responsible for this entire matter, because it is a matter of, neglect, and certainly that needs to be a chargeable, that needs to be chargeable, and that certainly has not been done in the investigation so far carried out by the Delhi police. So certainly the High Court today was not happy with the investigation so far that the Delhi police did, and thus the order now coming from the High Court that the entire investigation has been handed over to CBI to do it in a systematic manner and to do it in a time-bound manner.